Welcome back, Unwrap Stars, and here's the third installment of the Nike haul unboxing. So what we have right here are the Nike Classic Cortez men's shoe in white, Varsity Royale, and Varsity Red variant in US size 10. So I've been wanting these shoes for a long time now because I'm a fan of Forrest Gump, and as you know, these were worn by Tom Hanks in Forrest Gump, and also by Farrah Fawcett in Charlie's Angel, and also worn by Whitney Houston and Elton John. So there's a lot going on with these shoes. These shoes have a very long history of very long history. So at the top it just says Nike, and then just another Nike, then Nike. There's nothing a lot going on as compared to the other shoes that we've unboxed so far. So the information, it says Classic Cortez leather, and front says Nike. So let's get unboxing. Here, very classy. Wow. Side, this is a red Nike check. It goes all the way back, not the back. There's just nothing going on there. It's just a Nike branding. On the other side, they're very reminiscent of the Onitsuka Tigers because they are related. In the front, there's nothing much going on because and at the bottom. Let's get the other one. Just the same, just the same, just the same, and just the same. And inside there's a Nike branding. So again, we're gonna show you guys the photos and we're gonna wear these shoes. So let's get to the photos. Okay guys, so now we're gonna show you some photos. So what we have here are the outer side and the inner side. Then we have just the outer side. Then we have the back and then the front. Then we also have the inner side. Then we have the top view. Then we have the inner heel. And then of course we have the bottom part. So now we're gonna go straight to the on-feet test. So here are the Nike Cortez when worn. So this is how Tom Hanks felt when he wore these. So they're a bit narrow as I like them to be. I'm not used to narrow shoes. I like my shoes to be wide because I have wide feet, but they don't hurt, so I guess that's fine. So the front, side, the back, the other side, and the inner side. They're not uncomfortable, but they're not the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. They're a bit too hard, as I like them to be. But I guess that's fine for now. I think I'm just gonna get used to them anyway. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions.